When you were young, you had dreams. Those dreams came true and took you to new fields. When you were young, you had dreams. Those dreams came true and helped you to make new friends. And what you send flying into the sky comes back to you completely transformed. The future you imagined or saw in movies became reality and lets you experience new value. Our daily lives are filled with all kinds of machines and products. These are proof of the advancement of technology. These advancements help to shape our future. We can feel the presence of Porite close in our lives through these products. We take fine metal powder and give it new forms to pursue new possibilities. High quality in small parts. A legacy of technology, brimming with imagination. This is Team Porite. Our company manufactures all products by applying powder metallurgy technology. Porite products come in 3 main categories. Our oilless bearings are used in the world's smallest and lightest motors found in smartphones, which we have a global share of 65%. In CD, DVD, and other optical disc motors, we have a global share of over 90%. And for Blu-ray discs, our global share is 100%. With our history and research spanning over half a century, our innovative products are being used all over the world. In the powder metallurgy process, metal powder is placed in a mold, compacted, then sintered at high temperature to create a product that has high strength with very low scrap. The manufacturing process is developed with input from the customer on the intended use of the product and the required characteristics. This leads to the selection of the metal powder. Then, iron, copper, and other metal powders are mixed into a special blend. Next, a mold is placed in a molding press and filled with powder. Then pressure is applied from top and bottom to compact the powder and create a part. This creates a green compact part with the predetermined dimensions and density control. The green compact part is heated to a predetermined temperature, where the metal particles are fused together to form a centered part with increased strength. For products that demand higher degrees of precision, the sintered part is then placed inside a sizing mold and further compressed to form the part to the required shape and dimensions. The greatest benefit of the powder metallurgy method is the amount of flexibility in design and shape. Since the raw material is powder, there is very little waste. This means that high-precision parts can be mass-produced at a low cost. To make this possible, the mold must be extremely accurate. At Porite, we design all of our own molds and do our own processing and finishing. Managing the entire process from start to finish is how we are able to supply high-quality products with stability. The product that has earned Porite acclaim throughout the world is our oilless bearings. Taking full advantage of the powder metallurgy method's special features, these bearings can be used semi-permanently without oiling. These bearings are mainly used for parts that cannot be oiled from the outside, including intake and exhaust motors in automobiles, as well as steering, transmission, power windows, door mirrors, and other automotive parts for both electric and hybrid cars. They are also used in smartphones, home electronics, office equipment, industrial robots, drones, and a wide range of other products that require very strict specifications. Today, motors are believed to consume about 50% of the world's electricity. Porite bearings enable smoother shaft rotation, reducing friction and heat generation. When we design our quiet and long-lasting products, we always keep the environment in mind. Products made using the powder metallurgy method have countless small pores. Vacuum is used to discharge the air from these pores, and lubricating oil is impregnated. When oilless bearings are filled with lubricating oil, during operation, the pumping action and friction heat caused by shaft rotation push the lubricating oil from inside the bearings out to the surface. This oil wedge lifts the bearing from the shaft, preventing metal contact. When the motor is at rest, the capillary phenomenon causes the oil to be absorbed back into the bearing. To enable semi-permanent repetition of this process, we have developed our own oils to enhance the sustainability of the effect. Total capability in manufacturing technology is one of our core values, and we give our products precision, durability, and miniaturization. We have the largest share in the bearing industry for compact micromotors, and we will keep improving our dependable manufacturing system. Technology is constantly evolving, and Porite machine parts always offer unparalleled solutions. For this manufacturing process, we develop our own molds and form products using the powder metallurgy method. Then we use image inspection devices and ultrasonic flaw detectors for analysis and measurement to guarantee quality. We always put quality first. We are also converting our factory into a smart factory and employing IoT, as well as utilizing nearly fully automated control systems in select areas to more efficiently produce high-quality products and ensure stable product supply. After multiple post-processing to meet a variety of needs, the product is finished. These parts are primarily for engines, power steering, and other automotive parts, power tools and office equipment, as well as industrial robots and agricultural equipment, metal separators for fuel cells, and more. We respond to global needs for features of next-generation products. We will constantly strive toward better solutions to issues through technical expertise. Small, precision parts enable complex, three-dimensional forms. Porite machine parts have advanced using a new processing technology that combines the powder metallurgy and plastic injection molding methods. This is metal injection molding, or MIM. This manufacturing process combines metal powder with a wax-based binder and heats and kneads the mixture to mix it uniformly. The substance is then pelletized into a uniform size so that it can be handled by the injection molding machine. Then in the injection molding machine, the pellets are heated and compressed as they are poured into a mold. The mold is cooled and the molded part is removed. The injection molding machine is entirely computer controlled, ensuring product quality at all times, day and night. Heat is used to remove the binder, and after degreasing, sintering is performed to shrink the volume, transforming it to a higher density and strength. Here, a precision mold designed to calculate the shrinkage factor is essential. This is where Porite's extensive expertise comes into play to make the product possible. If a customer requests, we can also do cutting, heat treatment, plating, and other post-processing. The main features of MIM are miniaturization, weight reduction, strengthening, and the ability to create 3D, complex forms of metal. MIM enables production through near-net shape, in which mass-produced products are very close to the finished product. Because it is ideal for small precision parts, we are developing the technology for power tools, micro-miniature automotive parts, medical devices, industrial robots, and other applications. We will support greater human advancements through this technology. Founded in 1952, Porite made its company credo its most important value and has acquired numerous patents and utility models throughout its growth. In addition to Japan, we now have locations in Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, China, France, America, and India. Today we have an international network of 21 locations. Utilizing this global network, we can instantly predict and analyze customer issues. We are building a system that provides products quickly and at low cost. We are constantly seeking ways to bring fulfillment to people's lives, to preserve the global environment for the future. These are the two approaches that we view as the Porite corporate social responsibility. Now, we have begun production using clean energy, including a fuel cell server. We constantly foster teamwork and a spirit of challenge to provide solutions from our customers' point of view. And with sincerity and technology, our mission is to make powder metallurgy beneficial for society. This is the Porite value. A Among the massive number of products that have become a part of people's lives around the world, Porite products may not be visible, but they certainly play an essential